Punta kami ngayon ng Anta, Pangasinan. Celebrate namin yung birthday ng anak namin na si Rain. He's 2 years old. And ang birthday niya is 29. So, celebrate namin ng 28. So, ito yung first family travel namin as a family. And ito rin yung first ever na nabiyahe namin yung kotse namin ng malayo. So, ayun. Sobrang ganda ng daan dito sa SC Tex. Kasama namin yung yung best friend ko and then yung ate ng husband ko. So, overnight lang kami, then bukas uwi na rin kami. So, andito na po kami sa resort. Ito yung dagat nila. Sobrang ganda and sobrang aliwalas. Talagang worth it yung 8 hours na biyahe. And nakarating kami dito around 12 p.m. Ang check-in time namin is 2 p.m. Pina-check-in na kami agad. Kaya kahit hindi pa namin oras, sobrang accommodating ng staff nila. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng resort, pwede kayo sa 828 Beach Resort.
Rain, Rain! Look at mommy, anak! Baby! Look at mommy! Rain, Rain! Ate Raya, say hi! Hi! You're so beautiful! Rain, Rain, look at... Wow! Say hi to Grandpa! Grandpa, I'm swimming!
Look, kay Grandpa, oh.
Let's go, come here, come here.
Small crabs.
Doon tayo banda. Come here, Nana, hurry up.
Let's go.
Dali, jump daw, jump. Where are you going? Wow, what are you getting, anak?
This is one of the most special day for me and your daddy, anak. Alam namin na hindi mo pa maalala lahat ng to, pero alam ko na masayang masaya yung puso mo. We may not be able to give you all the things in the world, but we will do our best to give you our everything. Someday, this will be one of your core memory, and I'm really looking forward to create more with you and our little family. I hope and I pray na lumaki kang may mabuting puso at may faith sa Panginoon. Happy second birthday anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin.